You can definitely see a difference. Like, look at this shine. Alright boys, so we're on our friend's graduation now. That's why I got the suit on me, looking a little nicer than usual. And we got the Swedish flag on the car, so it looks nice. So yeah, we're just waiting for the other car with the other Swedish flag to come, and then we're gonna go watch his graduation. It's a little different than the United States, and I'll show you. But yeah, we're gonna have fun.
The night is young, don't need anybody else. We came to party all night long.
How does it feel, bro?
It feels good.
Yeah, congrats, bro.
We don't need nobody's attention, yeah, we just wanna dance on our own. We came to party all night long and sing along to every song. We don't need nobody's attention, don't need nobody else in our zone.
Alright boys, we're on the way now to a car meet and a different drag race than we usually go to. This one's supposedly better, so we will see when we get there if it's better. But firstly, the car meet. Let's see some sick cars. We got the boy with us in the other Cupra, and yeah, let's cut to the car meet.
Back to the course of my younger days. Lived through it all, but still nothing changed. Forever be me till I'm in the grave. Face on my problems, don't run away. Stand on my feelings, don't need a chase. Just shoot me straight. I'm like an acrobat, a circus act, like they got me in a cage. I could go tit for tat, the gift the gab, but can't give it to the hate. I'ma just tip my cap and dip right back to my little happy place. Back on that 9 to 5 again. Steady just working for Saturday. I've been going through the motions, trying to find my way. Never notice if you notice, start smiling way. All dry, stay focused, setting my little pace. And now all I have to say, I was the boy with the plan that turned me into a man. And
snygga Cupran. De var bra. Alright boys, we're gonna be polishing his car today. They're building a house in the background. But yeah, we're gonna get rid of all these imperfections. You can see on the hood, the fenders. Let me show the outside. Like, look, my face and these imperfections. So we're gonna get rid of them today, making this whole front shine like a bright diamond, right? You can stop shaking it and shake your ass.
Alright boys, we want to work it in, because it has the most imperfections here. So I'm going to work the area more to get the imperfections out. So yeah, you got to work it even more.
Alright, we're gonna see how it became. What? The results. Yeah, look at that. Look at the difference. Yeah, I can spegla myself very good. I'm not gonna dry it off. So this is the done panel, and this is the under. Yeah, you can see the difference right here. Look, this is like shining, and this, well, it has all the imperfections. So yeah, we're gonna keep doing the whole front because we don't have time to do the whole car today. But yeah, what do you think about it so far? Now you're gonna do it. Try it. Do you feel scared to try it?
Yes.
I believe in you. So we're gonna get him to do the hood, which is the easiest part. So let's do it. Now he's doing it. First time polishing with a machine, so I'm gonna teach him how to do it correctly. So we're gonna do this half right here, and then we're gonna do this half right here, and we're gonna show you the difference real quick. Alright, how do you feel about that, bro?
Pretty good.
Yeah, first time doing it?
Yeah.
So, do you think you can do the whole car now perfectly?
Maybe.
I think it looks good. You can definitely see a difference when you're standing from here. This one is done, that one is not done. So, yeah, nice job, bro. Good work. Now we're gonna do the whole front, and I'm gonna keep up with you after. Damn, boys, it started raining. we were just did complete this, and it started. Just did this one and this one, and it started pouring rain. So yeah, we're just gonna dry the, just make sure all the residue is off, so it doesn't leave any, because that can hurt the paint. So yeah, but it turned out super good. You can see it shining. Like, look at this shine. Holy shit. Yeah, it turned out super good. You happy, bro?
Yeah.
Perfect. Now we're gonna dry it off. Alright, we just completed it. We got everything done that we wanted to before the fucking rain. So